Good day, mate. Lilith Kelly here. I'm out here in nature. The birds sound so pretty. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
I just love your outfit. They look so 1800s. Everybody knows I married a man from the 1800s. Snooty, where are you? I keep talking about my Malinois. I want to show you. Gee, that's a black-capped chickadee. That's a red-winged blackbird. My hair looks so good today. I just washed it. Fall is so romantic. I could just imagine cuddling with Ned in these leaves. Yeah. Canada geese are flying for migration. They fly in their sleep. Half their brain is sleeping while the other half is flying. Look at those birds up there. Might have missed them. I know Snooty is out here. She doesn't want to show her face, sadly. She doesn't like when Dad takes a picture. But if you want to see what she looks like, look up my old X account in the link of this YouTube channel. Snooty the Malinois. SNOOTY. But if you're lucky, she might come. I'm going out with Lynn today. I go out 2 days a week. Hey, Snooty. I hear you. So, I just got 2 printed out chapters of the Ned Kelly book that I'm going to be reading tonight, and I'm probably going to get the rest of it today and read that all tonight. And then on Thanksgiving, I'll do my windows look like the wilderness that you'll see in my Reincarnated Ned Kelly movie coming up Black Friday. Fix up Reincarnated Ned Kelly. And, yeah. you are. Come here. Don't be shy. Snooty. There you are. That's my Malinois Snooty. She's so cute. Look at you. She is so cute, isn't she, Dad? I always tell her that her cuteness reaches Kelly level. And me being his wife, that's a huge compliment coming from me, you know?